Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Philips Hue app not connecting to bridge. Fix 1. Uninstall and reinstall the Philips Hue app. Uninstalling the Philips Hue app on Android, tap on the app on your Android device. Find the Philips Hue app, press and hold the app icon and select uninstall or drag the app to the uninstall option. On iOS, locate the Philips Hue app on your iOS device. Press and hold the app icon until it wiggles. Tap the X icon on the app and confirm uninstallation. Reinstalling the Philips Hue app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Philips Hue app in the App Store. Tap on the app and select Install to download and install the app on your mobile device. Fix 2. Power cycle the Hue bridge. Disconnect the power cable from the Hue bridge. Wait for about 10 seconds. Reconnect the power cable to the Hue bridge. Allow the bridge to restart fully before attempting to connect with the app again. Fix 3. Reboot the router. Locate your home router and power it off. Wait for 30 seconds before turning the router back on. Once the router has fully restarted, try reconnecting the Philips Hue app to the bridge. Fix 4. Factory reset the Philips Hue bridge. Locate the small reset button on the back of the Hue bridge. Using a small tool like a paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. Release the button when the lights on the bridge starts to flash. The bridge will reset to factory settings and you will need to set it up again using the Hue Philips app. Fix 5. Check the network settings. Ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Hue bridge. Test different Wi-Fi networks if available to see the bridge connects to a specific one. Connect manually by IP address. To connect manually by IP address in the Philips Hue app, follow these steps. Open the Philips Hue app on your device. Navigate to More Options. Then I Need Help. Then search with the specific IP. Enter the IP address shown on the discovery page. Tap and search to find your bridge.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.